It was a great interactive session. It was absolutely brilliant for our newly qualified cohort of social workers in terms of understanding the journey for children that are living with addictions and the hidden harm of that. Gave some real tips for our newly qualified social workers in terms of how to work differently with families. Raised awareness in terms of adverse childhood experiences. And for me, getting that message home about trauma-informed practice and having a real understanding of trauma and how that should inform social workers' practice for the future. So we work more sensitively, more compassionately, more around strength-based and relationship-based practice, really. So lots of messages will sort of hammer home today. And I think Joe and Pauline are amazingly courageous to share their experiences of what they've been through, really. I think we were very privileged to hear from them firsthand what it was like for them, really. So I think we've got a lot we can learn from them. I would recommend it to university programmes and to other ASYE training groups. In fact, it'd be great for all social workers in training and teachers. I can think of a whole range of professions that would probably benefit from hearing some of the messages from this, really. So, inspiring, passionate, really, I guess, in terms of hammering home some of the messages. Gives you a lot to take away and to think about and to how to change your practice. So there are lots of handy tips at the end for some of our newly qualified workers that I can see them more feverishly writing notes and bits and pieces and tips down in terms of how they will do things differently next time they knock on a front door and work with children and families. So, and for me, it just reinforced all the themes around best practice in terms of relationship-based, strength-based, trauma-informed. Yeah, really important message. Oh, I think she's amazing, personally. I think in terms of what she's come through and come out the other side and willing to share that experience and what she's learnt from it, really. So I'd love to be able to signpost families to her in terms of, I think she can really help people have some hope and optimism that you can come out the other side. So incredibly resilient and very courageous. So, yeah.